What's that, Arjun?
Hmm?
What's that?
Mirror cube. It just came today. I ordered it for 5,000 years ago. So it came today. It showed on Amazon. It'll come Sunday, but it came Saturday, which is today. So it is cool, but I don't know how to jumble it. You have to solve it like a 3 by 3. For example, you have to do the cross like that, okay, and find a piece that matches. Like can't just put any piece, okay. So it basically doesn't have any color. See, if I do one like it was like this. This is a solve done. Oh, light's coming. If I do one move, the shape is changing. You can see over here. There's water. Okay, that perfume. Like if I do it like that, it changes.
Interesting. So you're gonna learn how to solve this?
I know how to solve it.
Ah,
I know, but not so. It's the 3 by 3 method only. So I don't know it's like the shape contracting stuff.
okay.
What is contracting meaning? Is that a word I invented?
Contract is a word, existing word.
I know it.
Okay.
So bye guys. I'm just gonna jumble this. Oh, why did I jumble it? Oh no. Okay, fine. I'll try to solve it. Ah! Okay, so it's jumbled. So it's like my lab. So go here, get the elevator. Go here, you have to walk down the steps and climb the ladder. Then you have to go here, climb the ladder, get down, and then go like this. And then here's my workspace. So I'm gonna make it up to a cube. I'll try.
Okay.
Cross is already done.
So
Hooray.
we'll see you guys in the next video.
Mm.
Say bye, Arjun.
Bye. Before you leave, please like, share, and subscribe.